In this video, we are going to understand how exactly AI is being used in product management, what skills and tools you need to master it, and how you can apply the same techniques to streamline your own projects, even if you're not a product manager yet. Before we begin, let's first understand what AI for product management really means. In simple words, it's about using artificial intelligence to make smarter product decisions, whether it's discovering what customers want, identifying new market opportunities, or improving the overall user experience. AI doesn't replace the product manager, it acts as an assistant, helping teams analyze data, generate insights, and execute tasks faster and more accurately. Let's look at our first use case, product research. Every product team collects feedback from so many different sources. It could be in the form of customer reviews, surveys, support tickets, and even social media. But going through all this manually can take days and still not give a clear picture of what users really want. This is where AI completely transforms the process. Tools like Zeta.io's Ask AI, ChatGPT, Notion AI, and Browse AI can quickly go through thousands of reviews, survey responses, and response tickets. Then summarize the top pain points, feature requests, and compliments in a structured way. But AI doesn't just summarize, it finds patterns that humans might overlook. For example, Como AI can analyze market discussions and competitor updates to help PMs identify upcoming trends or customer needs before they go mainstream. Let's take a real example. Sarah, a product manager at a fintech startup, she used AI to analyze over 10,000 customer support tickets. Normally, that would have taken her team weeks, but AI did it in hours. The insights showed that many users were facing a particular issue that was quietly causing them to leave the platform. Once Sarah's team fixed it, they saw a 15% drop in customer churn. But here's the best part. The AI also found that users mentioning payment delays were the most likely to stop using the product. That connection wasn't obvious before. With that insight, they created a targeted retention campaign that saved the company millions. So instead of spending weeks buried in spreadsheets, product teams can now use AI to focus on what really matters, understanding the users and building better products. You can try this prompt in any of your preferred AI tools. What are the top 5 feature requests from our enterprise customers this quarter? Provide examples and quantify the demand. Moving on to use case 2, data driven prioritization. When building a product, there are always more ideas than time to execute them. The real challenge is deciding which feature to build first, the ones that will have the biggest user and business impact. That's where AI helps make objective data backed decisions. Tools like Zeta.io's Impact First Roadmaps, AHA AI, and Deliver use historical performance data and user feedback to evaluate each feature based on three key factors. First is user impact, how important the feature is to the users. Second is business value, how much it supports company goals. And third, development effort. This tells how much time and resources it will take. Instead of relying on intuition, AI uses predictive models to suggest which features will deliver the most value. And here's a pro tip. Ask your AI tool, based on our historical data, what features have had the highest impact on our user retention? And how do they align with our current backlog priorities? Here, user retention simply means how many users continue using your product over time. That is a key indicator of satisfaction and loyalty. What makes this approach powerful is that AI doesn't just give you a ranked list, it explains the reasoning behind its recommendations. So, when you present your product roadmap, which is your timeline of what will be built and when, you're not showing guesses, you're showing a strategy backed by logic, data, and real evidence. Moving on to use case 3, predictive user behavior modeling. Now, imagine being able to predict how users will interact with a new feature before it's even built. That's exactly what predictive modeling does. AI studies your existing user data like engagement patterns, in app behavior, and feedback trends, and builds models to simulate how different user groups might respond to new experiences. It's like testing your product's future before investing in it. Tools like Zeta.io, Notion AI, and Monterey AI use behavioral analytics and machine learning to create predictive insights on what drives satisfaction, engagement, or churn. You can try this prompt for better and faster results. Based on our user data, create a predictive model of how a power user will interact with our new collaboration feature. Include potential friction points and delight moments. By simulating thousands of interactions, AI helps you identify risks, usability issues, and opportunities long before launch, leading to fewer surprises and a smoother user experience from day one. Then we have use case 4, which is automated feedback analysis. Customer feedback is one of the most valuable assets for any product manager, but analyzing it manually can be overwhelming. AI makes this process seamless. Tools like Pendo Insights, Retain.ai, and Topic automatically categorize user feedback across channels like email, chat, reviews, and social media. They can group similar responses, detect sentiment shifts, and flag emerging issues, helping PMs act quickly when something's going wrong. And here's an actionable tip: use AI to track sentiment shifts in your feedback. Even a small drop in user sentiment can indicate a brewing issue. Take the example of Mike, a PM at a global e commerce company. He used AI to analyze his A B test results. The AI found that a small UX tweak improved conversions by 7%, but it also noticed a subgroup of users who didn't like the change. Instead of removing the update, Mike used that insight to create two personalized experiences. And this resulted to the overall conversions going up by 12%. That's the real power of AI feedback analysis: speed, precision, and personalization at scale. Moving on to use case 5, AI powered prototyping. Imagine sketching a rough wireframe on a piece of paper, taking a photo, and AI instantly converting it into a high fidelity interactive prototype. This is already possible with tools like USArt, Figma AI, and Galileo AI. They can transform your ideas into real testable designs, complete with UI layouts, copy suggestions, and color palettes. These tools not only save time but also make creativity faster. Product managers and designers can visualize concepts, gather user feedback early, and iterate faster, all within hours, not weeks. And finally, let's talk about skills you'll need to thrive in this AI era. If you want to truly leverage AI in product management, it's not just about knowing which tools to use, it's about learning how to use them strategically. Here are three key skills that will set you apart. First is prompt engineering. Learn how to ask the right questions. AI's output depends on your input. Instead of vague queries like what features are trending, try specific ones like based on our Q3 user feedback, which features are most requested by enterprise clients and how do they impact retention. Then we have data literacy. AI is only as good as your data. Understand where your insights come from, how reliable they are, and what limitations they carry. Learn to interpret metrics, validate results, and challenge outputs when they don't align with reality. Third is ethical reasoning. As AI becomes more influential in product decisions, fairness and transparency matter more than ever. Always ensure that your AI driven actions respect user privacy and avoid bias in data driven decisions. But again, like any tool, AI also has its limitations. It can generate false insights if your data is biased or incomplete. That's why the best product managers use AI to augment their thinking, not replace it. Human intuition, creativity, and empathy are still irreplaceable. AI simply gives them more power and precision.